Good morning students, welcome to Alchemy online classes. Yesterday we have discussed lesson number 6 part 1 expert detectives. Today we shall discuss about part 2. In the part 1 we have seen that Nishad and Maya they were so curious about Mr. Nath. They came to know that there was a friend who used to constantly visit Mr. Nath, and there was a Ramesh who used to give lunch to Mr. Nath regularly. It was the same meal regularly he used to eat, and they have described the person who used to visit regularly Mr. Nath. He was tall, fair, stout, and all clear. He used to wear spectacles. Then after Mr. Nath was the patient of their mother, clear, but her mother said that it was not like that. He is not criminal, he is very kind person. They got an unexpected holiday on that day because of heavy rainfall. Today we shall discuss part 2 of expert detectives. Here we go. Expert detectives. Now, as we have seen in part 1, Maya, she was ready with a sheet of paper on her desk. She has written in a large bold letters catching a crook. Expert detectives. She has written the name Nishad and Maya Pandit by appointment to the whole world. Then I began writing here. I refers to Maya. About an half an hour later, I turned towards Seven, who was laying on his tummy, chin cupped in his palms, reading comics, wants to hear what I have written. Ask. Who asked this question? Maya asked to Seven. Okay. Now, as you can see here in the picture, that how nicely Nishad is enjoying his comical books, and Maya, she is sitting on the desk and she is noting down the facts about Mr. Nath. Now, let us see what are the facts. He looked up question markly. I have now here Maya, as we have seen that Maya asked, do you want to listen what I have written? I have written all the facts about Mr. Nath which might help us to trap him. I said, so here I said refers to Maya. I said, want to hear? Nishad nodded his head. Nishad or Seven, okay, nodded his head. So fact number 1, it is his real name is Mr. Nath. We must discover this first name. We have to discover his first name. Do you think, Nishad, that he is using his real name or not? Probably, I said. Most crooks have and lines. I added a big question mark after Nath. That means we have seen in the chapter that we are talking about Mr. Nath, but there is no full name. Okay. Then fact number 2. I read on. The tenants at Shankar House says his mind strange and unfriendly. He's mad, strange and unfriendly. What happens here? Fact number 2. She is constantly reading that the tenants at the Shankar's house, the neighbors, they are telling that he is mad, stranger and very unfriendly to us. Fact number 3. He doesn't talk to anyone and is mannerless. Here again she is telling that no, he is a very rude like person. He is not talking to anyone. Then Nishad said, Mama says he is very polite. Nishad interrupted here. Nishad said that already our mother has instructed that he is very polite person. So here Maya said, yes, he might be pretending to be polite because he is taking medical treatment from our mother. Okay. Now fact number 4, he does not receive any letters. 7 again nodded his head. Now fact number 5, I have been living in the room. He is telling that from last 1 year he has been living in room number 10 of Shankar's house, but yet there is no good connection with his neighbors. Fact number 6, he doesn't work and sit in his room all day. Okay. Fact number 7, the kids in Shankar house and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. Now they are saying that the kids, not only the kids but some grown-ups, they are also afraid of Mr. Nath. Now fact number 8, there is only one visitor who visits him regularly on Sunday for lunch. Fact number 9, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from restaurant downstairs. He doesn't care what he eats. He pays his bill immediately and tips well. That's end my list. Have I forgotten anything, 7? So here Maya, she has listed out 7 facts about Mr. Nath, and now she is questioning to Nishad that do you think I'm forgetting something? If yes, then let me know. But here 7, Nishad said, had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. Here Nishad was not at all interested in his talks, in his facts which Maya was constantly saying. Poor man, Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friend. How can a crook have a friend? Idiot, I almost shouted. Here, Nishad is in favor of Mr. Nath, that he is very poor man and he is very lonely. That's why he is not having any friend. Here, Maya is saying that crooks are normally not having friends. Idiot, I almost shouted. Who? Maya. Okay. At least he had one friend, that one who meets him on a Sunday, said Nishad. Nishad said, no, he's not alone. He is having one friend. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. Who said this line? Maya said this line, that Mr. Nath, he is having a crime partner who is visiting him regularly on Sunday. Maybe he is keeping all the loots, and he comes now and then to give a part of it to his partner, Mr. Nath, for expense. Who is the partner here? Mr. Nath and his friend. They might be partner in crime. Okay, that's it. I am sure I am right, Maya said. If you insist on calling him criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya. If he gives Ramesh such generous tips. Now Nishad got very angry. He raised up his tone and he said, if you are constantly using the word criminal for him, it won't be good, because he is very kind and generous person. He used to give good tips to Ramesh. Then Ramesh probably knows something about his past. So Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet, I said. Again Maya said that Ramesh, he might be knowing something about his past. That's why he is bribing him. He is giving some money to keep his mouth shut. Clear? Nishad glared at me with his arms tightened across his chest. Now Nishad was very angry and very upset. I was beginning to get fed up with him. How can we make any progress without our investigations? If you take that attitude, 7, I said. Now Maya is saying, now Nishad got very angry and he was just constantly looking towards Maya. Again Maya said, Nishad, if you are going to show this kind of attitude, then our investigation will not be completed, will not be able to find out about Mr. Nath's secret. I'll cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped crook, said 7. 7 said that, okay, I will be with you, but the thing is that you are not going to call Mr. Nath a crook now. You really make me angry. Okay, now let us see what happens. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid, I shouted. You make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiries if he is not a crook? If you think he is a nobody, what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. Here she is telling that, Nishad is telling that, what is the main purpose of inquiring all this if you are telling that he is nobody? Why to bother? Please tell me. Nishad looked thoughtfully. I didn't like to find out what, here Nishad is saying that I want to find out about Mr. Nath, that why he is so thin and so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. Try to understand, 7, I told him. Maya got angry here. If he lives in Shankar's house for a year and has not made a single friend, there's something wrong. Maya said from last 1 year he is living in Shankar's house and he has not made a single friend. Then there is something wrong with Mr. Nath. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to cops. Now here Maya is telling that I am sure he is not making friends because they will recognize him and they will give up to the cops. That means they'll hand over him to the police. Okay, maybe no one's tried to make friends with him, Nishad protested. Here again Nishad is saying that maybe no one is trying to make friends. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. I like him and I am going to try to be his friend. Friend with crook, ha! You are crazy, Seven, I said. The cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen, you idiot? Nishad merely glad. Now here what happened? Nishad and Maya, they are constantly talking about Mr. Nath, that no, he is very kind. Nishad is saying, I want to be his friend. Then Maya is saying, no, you are not supposed to be a friend of a crook. Otherwise, cops will come and they'll take you to the jail. And again, Nishad is saying that now you be quiet, and he simply walked out of the room. My theory seemed to have made no impression on him at all. Now this is the last sentence said by Maya, that all the facts which he has written, he is not impressed with him at all. This was all about Mr. Nath, Nishad and Maya. I hope the concept is clear to you. For extra content, please visit Extramark app and Diksha app where you can get the whole topic. Thank you for the day. Take care.